again. Gonna unbox some more backpacks. Alright, so got some more boxes. Let's get into this one. I guess that's the top, but that's the bottom. Where did it go? Yep, going through the bottom. No, we're not going through the bottom. I just got like carpet burn on my nail bed. Oh, that was hot. Alright, just making sure we're not going through. Oh, this one from a brand that I like a whole lot. There we go. From Pgytech. I like their stuff. There's actually a Pgytech part on this camera right now. It's the little beetle clip. It's a lot like the Peak Design camera clip, but I mean the base I think is about exactly the same. It's a square Arca Swiss mount. There's kind of a standardized design for those, but the clips are different styles. So I think you could use the clips together, but either way, I use it with Arca Swiss all the time. It's on an Arca Swiss right now, and a Ulanzi kind of like tripod head, like a ball mount head, and it works great. I think they're the ones that make the fall cam system. I might be mistaken on that, but anyway, they make a lot of cool stuff. Let's check out this backpack from them. There we go. Crack this sucker open. Oh, this is like the bottom. All right, let's flip this over. I want to see what like the actual unboxing experience that they intended. That was a difficult sentence to get through. Never mind, it's the same for both sides. This is interesting. Comes in like a paper bag. Oh, that's different. Huh. This looks like almost like a garment bag. It's like a paper bag kind of feel. I mean, it's definitely paper, but the Onemo backpack 25 liter. The last one was 20 liters, I believe. It's like stitched together on the top. I don't even really know how to open this up.
You probably have to just rip the paper.
I feel like it's like a chicken feed bag where you just take one piece, you know, you take the right end and you can just go brrr and like open it all the way up. Oh yeah, maybe it's this. That's so weird. I've never seen packaging like this before. Good lord. 3 boxes so far, and a plastic bag. Wild. I guess 2 boxes, a paper bag, and a plastic bag. Alright, let's get this thing open. Oh my god. This is bigger than I thought it would be. I don't know why I expected it to be like smaller. Let's check, as always, with the cards here. So it looks like they've got almost the same exact thing, where it's like a little booklet with all the different use cases and the features. Quick draw access, efficient and easy access. Large space, expandable. Okay, and here's like a layout, different format that you can use. Movable central partition. Customized compartment unfolds. Customized compartment folds. So it's showing different configurations for the different compartments. Anti-RFID side pouch, that's cool. This is interesting. There's 3 battery pockets. They have level indicators, so you can show this battery is used, this battery is fresh, with just like a little rubber slider, if I'm not mistaken. Magnetic attachable pocket. Straps can be placed inside. Huh. Efficient storage all over the place. That's cool. Wow, there's like storage on the straps itself too. That's interesting. Please keep the backpack dry at all times. Yeah, it's kind of like, honestly, a lot of the same information from the last backpack. They're very similar like branding designs. Well, I'm gonna kind of like look into this stuff a little bit more. It looks like there might be. Oh, Pgytech has a lifetime warranty on their bags too. That's sweet. Okay. Any part of your bag becomes defective or non-functioning, we'll repair and replace it with a new item. That's really cool. So I'm going to go through this information a little bit more. If I find anything interesting, I'll leave it down in the comments below. Or I'll maybe make another clip and throw it in here. Who knows? Alright, let's get rid of this. Alright, so let's just look at the outside of this thing first. There's a lot of features to unpack, it looks like. It's got this heavy rubberized kind of definitely weatherproof feeling, or weather resistant at least feeling outside shell. There's little straps where you can, it looks like you can strap something on top or carabiner things to it that'll hang off the side. Maybe even put like elastic or like tie something onto there. Like there's these 4 little like mounting points on top. That's pretty interesting. One of the things they also mentioned too is they have anti-theft buckles or like zippers here. So these zippers have these little loops at the end that you can feed your zipper pull through, and then if anyone goes to pull on it either way, it's locked in. You would have to then pull it out through here to sort of unlock it, right? And then you can unzip that thing. But we've got side pouch here. I've got elastic in here, and these are, oh cool, that's for like cable organization. Another pocket on the inside, so I can see like chargers and stuff going in here, cables. I possibly put a drone inside of this bag. Maybe that's where the drone charger goes. And on the outside, you got this little buckle too, which is interesting. This looks like it would hold maybe a tripod. Maybe the tripod goes in here then. Maybe fit like a thin travel tripod. That's a little too tight for like a bigger tripod, I would definitely say. But there's also this here, so maybe you're supposed to sort of elastic it to your bag. Then there's more of these mounting points everywhere. These loops feel really sturdy. A lot of interesting features already on this thing. So this is access to the inside. Ooh, stickers. Access to the inside, it has those thin panels, it feels like. It seems to be kind of like the new thing, is those thin panels that are really compact and whatnot. Feels like they're all in there. This is supposed to be the compartment where you can just like toss your camera in here. Zipper on this side, little pocket. There's a little tag on the inside too. It's like the information tag in there. Well, it's actually a pretty spacious pocket too. Got a decent amount of space to hold the bottom to pull that up and tight. And again, those zippers again. Bottom is, I think, the side access. Yeah, so this flips up on its side. Say you've got it on your back on this side, you would flip it up underarm like that, and you'd be able to open this pouch and access. That's cool. There's a handle on the side of this little bag too, but access this pocket, this is the pocket that has the I don't know why I even zoomed out. This is the pocket that has the sliders for your batteries. I think this is super cool. So you'd stick a battery in there, and whether it's, if it's fresh, you set it to green. If it's dead, cool. So you got the battery pouch on this side. Let's flip it back up. Let's see what's on the strap side, because apparently there's a bunch of features in the straps itself. So this elastic here is supposed to be for your lens caps. All right, so here's big lens cap. You slip that in there. It's just a spot where it's like accessible, so you can pop it off, and that does feel pretty secure. Definitely doesn't fit in there, but like the bigger, this is an 82 millimeter lens cap, so it's a large lens cap as it is. That would sit pretty comfortably, I think. It feels wide. There's like this sort of ribbed edge. There's some loops here. The ends of these have nice loops, so you can yank that down and use it to even like hold on to if you've got a heavy bag with you. The connector in the middle, normal pinch connector. Here's your 2 loops, and then what's this? Here's a little tiny pouch. It looks like it could expand and kind of fit maybe smaller NPFW batteries, stuff like that, like SD cards you can pop in here. They had something as the example for what goes in here in the little booklet, but I forget what it is. And then there's little elastic stuff here too. Cool. You can loosen this up and like attach something like a tripod or like a monopod pole or something like that, or even just like a smaller piece of equipment, like a Joby, like a Gorilla Pod. That's what those things are called. All right, so let's kind of fold these back. There's like that weatherproofing kind of stuff, but it just goes over this pouch. So if I open that up, it's like the back side of where you put a laptop, maybe. It feels as though there's a little bit of a strap in there. You can kind of see it. So I'm not sure exactly what that's about. There's like two flaps here. Maybe that's for like breathability or something. There's like flaps and pockets, but they don't really like lead to anywhere. Yeah, I think it's just for ventilation. But then this strap here seems to run through the bag. And that's the strap that we were seeing on the inside. Yeah, it's definitely attached there. That's so odd. I wonder what that's for. Is there any other outside stuff we missed? Haha, yeah, okay. Here's the bottom end. These bags often come with these. This is another rain cover. So you just fit that over the entire thing. It's got a nice embossed P on there too. That looks so much like the Periphery logo. That's hilarious. Jake Bowen's edition. Finally, we're going to work our way inside. Alright, so this zips all the way down here. That's like an expandable slot. Interesting. Okay, so this opens up. There's a... Wow. My whole dang arm in there. There's a huge pocket on this front side with a big elastic strap. I want to say that that's almost for like, you put a tripod in here and it sticks out the back or something like that. Wow, that's a huge freaking pocket. I could probably fit like the base plate and rails to like my cinema camera rig, the A7S III rig, the mirrorless rig. Wow, that's huge. So it's big wide empty pocket, big elastic band. It's like super wide like that. Awesome. Okay, so that's the expandable slot. This is becoming kind of standard. This used to be like a fancy thing, having the zipper on the actual back side of the backpack. Wow. Okay. Alright, so this completely opens up like this. See, it comes with a bunch of little extra pieces and stuff. There's the silica gel, we can get rid of that. These are all clips, and wow, what are these? They're like clips and straps and stuff.
I wonder if they're for your hooks on the outside so you can make it tighter.
Yeah, that's what those hooks are for. Yeah, wow, they just pop in. They like clip in like that, and then this whole strap is like, you can fit like the big pack topper or something on there, like a camp. Wow, and it comes with a lot of stuff like that. It looks like there were some different ones. No, they're okay. Yeah, they're all
different thicknesses.
Yeah.
This
So these
thin.
There's two thin and then two thick like this. I'll bet the thick ones go on like the side. Yeah. Wow. Okay, that's a really interesting system. So there's like a rigging system on this backpack. That's insane. I really like that. I'm a big fan of strapping things to the outside of my bag because like I like to utilize that extra space on the outside. Wow, that's really cool. I like that. We can fit. This is
16.
16 inch.
MacBook Pro.
Oh, just slides in. I think it says it's meant for 15.6 inch. So this is like the perfect size. It feels like there's a little bit of extra breathing room there. So yeah, that's your laptop compartment. That flips closed, keeps it fastened. Up here has the dividers. This is where your side access panel is, right through here. So that's like where you put your camera. You can see it's sort of configured that way, where you have your camera body here and then lens like so. And then you put additional lenses here. They have it set up so that you can also fit like a drone. Oh boy. Like you could fit a drone down here or something like that. So this strap holds in the divider here. So you can open this bag up completely and have this be a completely open space. But then there's this little bag, which has a sweet little grab handle there, as well as a grab handle on the side here, which is where the other opening is. So you can slide this right out. And then this opens up like so. Wow. Nice thin dividers too. It's got zippered up in the top, and we can take out that silica gel. There's a hand strap. I'm dropping all the rigging behind me right now. That's really cool. There's a little pocket on top even too. So this is like, you can put data and hard drives in there. This thing's expansive. This looks like a... Oh, cool. This is an elastic pocket. So like you can put things inside of here. It's a little mesh pocket on this side. Opens up like so. And then Velcros to the side. So that means you could take it off and move it around. Put it wherever you want. That's very
Looks
interesting.
like the bottom folds up to set that up however you want to.
I think these are more dividers. So like, yeah, there's 2 of them right here. So you get 2 more big dividers. You can change the configurations up here, and then you just store them down the bottom to help kind of reinforce.
You could also...
And then this bag just slides back in.
Or you could use the rigging to strap that bag on top of your backpack.
Yeah, I'll bet you could. This is it. Yeah, wow. There's a lot of different configurations that you can do with this thing. Obviously, this is the Pgytech Onemo. I like that you can access the entire thing. Let me show you what I'm thinking about right now. Have it on your back. You can turn it around and go, okay, well, I'm going to access just the bag. You can slide that out of here. I have the lid undone still. That's why it's having a hard time sliding. So that slides in and out. You got your batteries accessible right here. You can open this up and access the top as well. You just have to kind of like pull it around a little bit further, access the top for your camera, right? But the kicker comes when you grab, you open this, reach around and unzip all the way, and then you can open up the entire bag while it's still on your arm. So I've got my arm through the strap still. You know, like it might be a little bit much, but like you can sit here, hold this, and grab stuff as necessary, move things around, pull it back, and then zip it all the way back up. So you would just keep it like zipped like there. So that's interesting. That's very cool. You can access almost the entire bag. It's everything except for the expansion part. You open this up and put things in here. That's the stuff that you would need to have. You would have to like take the backpack off to like grab this stuff. This thing is super cool. It feels really, really sleek too. This is around 200 bucks. We're gonna test it out for the next 2-3 weeks. We'll let you know what you think, but in the meantime, go down to the comments below. See what other people think. See what their experiences are with this stuff, and let us know what yours are. If you've tried any of these bags, we'd love to hear from you. But yeah, that's gonna be about it for this one. Thanks for watching, and on to the next bag. Peace.